Underneath the silver moon, our hearts align. In the quiet of the night, your eyes shine. Every whispered secret, every soft embrace. With you by my side, I found my place. The world fades away, it's just you and me. In this moment, I'm finally free. So let's dance to the rhythm of our hearts. Together forever, we'll never be apart. With every step, every glance, we ignite. Our love is a fire burning so bright. In this eternal dance, we'll sway and spin. With you in my arms, I know I'll always win. Days turn into nights, seasons change, but my love for you will never feel strange. Through every storm and sunny day, I promise to love you in every way. Your laughter is my melody, sweet as a song. In the symphony of love, we both belong. So let's dance to the rhythm of our hearts. Together forever, we'll never be apart. With every step, every glance, we ignite. Our love is a fire burning so bright. In this eternal dance, we'll sway and spin. With you in my arms, I know I'll always win. When the night is dark and the road feels long, I'll be your light, your favorite song. Hand in hand through thick and thin, with every heartbeat, our love will begin. We'll write our story, page by page. With love as our ink, we'll break every cage. So let's dance to the rhythm of our hearts. Together forever, we'll never be apart. With every step, every glance, we ignite. Our love is a fire burning so bright. In this eternal dance, we'll sway and spin. With you in my arms, I know I'll always win. So take my hand and hold it tight. In this dance of love, we find our light. Through every heartbeat, in joy and in strife. With you, my darling, I found my life. Forever we'll dance, make this moment last. In the book of our love, we'll write our own cast. Our hearts in sync, a beautiful trance. Together forever in this eternal dance. So let's dance to the rhythm of our hearts. Together forever, we'll never be apart. With every step, every glance, we ignite. Our love is a fire burning so bright. In this eternal dance, we'll sway and spin. With you in my arms. In the quiet of the evening glow, where shadows dance and whispers flow, we stand at the edge, hearts wide open. In the stillness, dreams are spoken. The world is vast, a tapestry bright, with threads of courage woven through the night. We'll leave behind the weight of yesterday, embrace the dawn, let it light our way. With every heartbeat, we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath, we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way. begin to fade away, we'll gather strength for the coming day. With every challenge that lies ahead, we'll paint our dreams in shades of red. No more shadows, no more chains. In the dance of life, we'll break the reins. With open arms, we'll face the sun. In the symphony, we're all as one. With every heartbeat, we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts, the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath, we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In this journey of 1,000 stories told, with hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. In the silence, hear the echoes of dreams unfulfilled, of untold fates, but we'll shatter the limits. We'll rewrite the rules with the heart of a lion. We'll rise above fools. For every moment lost, there's a chance to regain. In the fire of our spirits, we'll dance in the rain. Together we'll stand, unyielding, unbowed. With the strength of the countless, we'll roar, we'll be loud. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath, we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest nights, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In this journey of 1,000 stories told, with hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. And when the horizon is painted in gold, we'll gather the memories, the stories we hold. In the laughter and tears, the lessons we've learned. With each step we take, our passion is burned. The world may challenge, but we'll never fall. With the strength of our dreams, we can conquer it all. So let's raise our voices, let's sing out loud. In the choir of the brave, let's stand proud. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath, we're reborn. When the sun dips low and the stars ignite, I find my way to you, guided by the night. In the hush of the evening, with the world asleep, you pull me closer, secrets we keep. Low and the stars ignite, I find my way to you, guided by the night. In the hush of the evening, with the world asleep, you pull me closer, secrets we keep. With every heartbeat, I feel the spark. In this dance of shadows, you light up the dark. Your laughter is a melody that fills the air. And the garden of moments, love blossoms there. So take my hand, let's lose track of time. In the rhythm of our hearts, everything feels sublime. With every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In the timeless embrace, love bondless like gold. In your eyes, I see the stars align. The universe of dreams, forever you'll be mine. Through every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In this timeless embrace, love endlessly calls. In your eyes, I find my way home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. In this beautiful journey, we'll write our own song. In your eyes, my love is where I belong. Every moment with you is a treasure to hold. In the stories we weave, our love unfolds. Through laughter and tears, we're dancing through life. In the chaos and calm, you're my heart's delight. With every sunrise, a new chapter starts, painting our canvas with the colors of our hearts. In the quiet whispers, in the softest sighs, I find my forever in the depths of your eyes. So take my hand, let's lose track of time. In the rhythm of our hearts, everything feels sublime. With every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In the timeless embrace, love bondless like gold. In your eyes, I see the stars align. The
fades away. We'll write our own story, let the moment sway. With every heartbeat, our love will ignite. In the soft glow of twilight, you make everything right. Through the laughter and silence, through every embrace, I'm seeing our reflection in your loving face. In the dance of forever, we're lost in the night. In the warmth of your love, everything feels right. In your eyes, I see the stars align. The universe of dreams, forever you'll be mine. Through every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In this timeless embrace, love endlessly calls. In your eyes, I found my way home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. In this beautiful journey, we'll write our own song. In your eyes, my love is where I belong. So here's to the moments, to the love that we share. In the tapestry of life, I'll always find you there. With every breath, with every sigh. In your eyes, my darling, is where our love lies. In your eyes, my love, forever will be. In the story of us,